Hello. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a bundle in Salesforce CPQ featuring our parent product, the Smartphone O1, and the option Smartphone Case and Smartphone Screen Protector. To achieve that, we will follow these steps. First, we create the parent product, the Smartphone O1. Then we create the options, the Smartphone Screen Protector and Smartphone Case. And then we add the option to the parent product. And finally, we will demonstrate this bundle in the configurator to see what it looks like for the sales reps. So first we create our parent product. From your application, navigate to the Products tab. Then you hit New. Let's call it the Smartphone O1. Then check Active and hit Save. We will learn more about the rest of the fields throughout the course. For the moment, navigate to the Related tab and let's give our product a price. To do that, scroll down to Price Book, which we will learn more about in the pricing section. Click Add Standard Price, and let's say that we will sell it for 100 euros. Then you hit Save. Great, we created our first product. We will follow the same steps to create the two options. As explained earlier, product options are other products that exist in our product catalog database, and that we will add them as options to the parent product. So first, let's create the smartphone screen protector. Following the same steps, we check it as active, and then we hit save. Then from the Related tab, we give it a price. Let's say that we will sell it for 50 euros, and then we hit save. Let's create right now our third product, smartphone case. Again, following the same steps. And let's say that we will sell it as well for 50 euros. Great, right now we created all the products. The next steps is to add the product options to the parent product. So we navigate back to the parent product, Smartphone O1, and the Related, head to Options, and then hit New. Under the optional SKU, we select our product options. So first, the smartphone case. This is a lookup to the rest of your products on the product catalog. Then we add a number. The primary function of the number field is to determine the order in which product options are displayed within a bundle. When a bundle has multiple product options, this field helps in sequencing them in a specific logical manner. I highly recommend to start with an order of 10, then 20, 30, etc. This way, if you want to add later another product option, you don't have to edit the order again for all the products. So let's say that we want the smartphone case to be the first one. So we will give it a number of 10. Then we hit save. Following the same steps, we will create our second options. So we search for the smartphone screen protector, and this one is going to be the second one. Then we hit save. As you can see, the product options are ordered following the number. First, the smartphone case with an order of 10, then the screen protector with an order of 20. Great, right now we have officially created our bundle, the smartphone O1, accompanied with two options, the smartphone case and the smartphone screen protector. Let's see how this will look like in the configurator. So navigate to the Code tab. The developer org comes with a bunch of codes ready for use. Let's select the first one, code number 1. Then hit Edit Lines. Let's add products and search for the bundle we just created. we select it and then hit select again. Great, now we have our bundle ready for configuration. From here, our sales reps can work on this bundle by clicking the wrench icon, which will bring them to the configuration page. And let's say that the sales reps is selling or making a quote for a smartphone on one with 2 smartphone cases and 2 screen protectors. So notice right now that the quantity is locked and we can't edit it. First, you need to check the line and then you can edit the quantity. Similarly, now we can save this configuration, which will bring us back to the code line editor. Right now we have our smartphone on one with 2 cases and 2 screen protector. We can right now save the code. That's it. Now you know how to create a bundle and how it will look like for your sales reps. In the next lecture, we will understand more about the configuration of a bundle using the configuration type field and the configuration event. Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course in Master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.